All right, I got the two cabinet on that side. But first we have to label it first and put it in proper places before we move to the next one. All right, so let's label that one first. So first thing what we have to do is check which corner is the highest, right? It could be this side, this two, or maybe that one. All right, so this is what I do. All right, so it's pretty much level. That's level. It's a little lower. It's lower. It's lower. It's lower. All right, so we're gonna raise this 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to raise it up. All right, so this is what I do. Use the shims. All right, so it's good. Shims. Also good. Okay. On the side. It's also good. Now, shims. This one. This one. Here. Sorry. Right here, including this. Okay. Right there. Okay. Now this side. Okay. Now we can check the leveling. It's good. It's right there. That's good too. Last one. All right, so that's how I do my leveling. All right. All right, so next one now is we're setting up the blind corners. So it's the same process. Now we're gonna check the leveling. Okay. All right. All right. Same process like what we did here. This one. Okay. Now we need to set up the corners. For the blind corners, right? We usually set it up 3 inches, 2.5, 3 inches to 3.5 is good. And then make sure this one too. Open this like that. And make sure you're gonna have at least 3.5 or 2.5 is minimum. All right. So this is how I set up the cabinet. All right. So let's set it up now. The upper blind corners or dead space corner. I'm gonna check the leveling of the wall, if it is off or not. So see, I already shim it out, same as the other one there. All right, and then you need this guys to sit on the cabinet. Right, so I'm good to go. All right, so let's go in places. The big ones. I get to make step louder this way. All right. I'm last because we still have to level it. It's pretty good. Anyhow, so we can check the level. Please. All right, so my two upper corner cabinet, it's done. So this is like how I set it up. My two my two upper, I call it blind corner or dead space corner. Then you just put this away so we can have, so we can visualize. All right, so up here, usually it's similar. It's similar to what we did here from the base. You need at least like 3 inches, 2.5 minimum, right? But this one is more than 3 inches. So like that. So this is how I set it up, this guys. See, I have 4-in-1 here. Yeah. 3.5 on this side, right? On this side, 3.5. Right? So again, 3.5. 3 inch. How about 3.5? The more space, the more better, because for your door opening, right? All right, so that's how I set it up. This type of corner cabinets, and same thing on the base.